Imagine converting your garage into a versatile, livable outdoor room. With screen-tight garage door screening system, you can do just that. Perfect for most standard garages, the screen-tight garage door screening system integrates seamlessly with your existing garage door, maximizing your square footage at an affordable cost without modifications or costly renovations. Made from durable PVC reinforced with patented Green Eagle carbon fiber technology, the system offers top-of-its-class rigidity and strength. Enjoy a maintenance-free white finish with no-rust stainless steel components that also maintains your garage's original integrity and functionality. Open and close your garage door without removing the system. The convenient swing door allows easy in and out access while the garage screen door is closed. A strong kick plate protects against accidental dings and keeps your pets where they need to be. And the bifold panels neatly retract when the system is not in use. Weather stripping ensures a flush finish, enhancing your garage's functionality and appearance. The screen-tight garage door screening system also unclips from its track for easy removal and storage during the off-season. Plus, it's easy to install, no wiring or electricity necessary. Transform your garage today and enjoy an indoor-outdoor oasis area full of fresh air and free from unwanted pests. The screen-tight garage door screening system. Available only at the Home Depot.